Hello everyone, this is Siraj Chowdhury. Welcome to my another video. In this video, we will show you how to create or how to upload a custom font in Shopify theme. We all know we have some font in our theme, or we found some premium theme in premium font in our premium theme. But if we want to upload any custom font, how can we do that? Okay, this is very easy step. So you need to follow some step. Okay, so first step, like I need to first go the font website. You can search any free font, then you can select anyone. So I just select this option, go to this website, and like I am want to download, I need to download some font. Okay, like I want to download this awesome, so click download. Also I am downloading another font, two font I will download. Okay, so you can see our font is already downloaded. So you can see here there is a OTF file and TTF file. So Shopify basically support WOF and TTF file. So I don't need this. Okay, now my download is successful. This is okay, done. Now I need to upload the font. Okay, so here is my Shopify dashboard. I need to go to content, and here files, I need to upload our font here. Upload, then oh sorry, I need to extract first. I'm just extracting the file. Okay, now I delete this one. Okay, so now I am uploading the our file. Okay, going this OTP, select and upload another one. Awesome, then TTF and OTF. We can just select the TTF one. Okay, then you can see our file is already uploaded. Okay, now there we need to add some custom code. So in this part we need to go our online store. Then we can see there is some themes, Ella themes, Impulse theme, Dawn theme. So we can use our font all the theme. We don't need to integrate any personal theme. Just I need to select three dot and edit code. Okay, in this part we can see, okay, this is our code page. So now we need to create a section. Okay, so here is the section, add new section, and we need to give a name here, easyfy custom font, easyfy custom fonts. Okay, then done. Okay, we can see there is some code I don't need, just delete it. Now I am giving a code here. I will upload this code in my description box. Okay, this code now save. We can easily access the code in my description, don't worry. Okay, done. Now we need to search the theme file. Okay, theme dot liquid. Okay, you can see here is a theme dot liquid. Here we need to put another code. Just search Control F here. Sorry, body. Okay, here is our body section. Now in that case we need to upload a code here. This code also I will upload in my description. Okay, now save. Okay, now we need to go to our customize option, customize theme, duplicate it. Okay, in that case we can see, you can see there is an option here. Okay, manually there is no option in this font. So in this section you can see their option. Okay, now we need to add font. Click add font, select font name, use a font name, like which font we download, this font we download. Okay, So what is our font name? So I'm awesome. Okay, so I'm just giving a awesome. Sorry. Okay. Then font weight, you can select the font weight here. Also the font style, normal, italic, or for custom URL. Where is from the URL? You need to go your content that I already uploaded. Go to the content file, and now this is the awesome. Okay, so copy link and paste here. Okay, now you can see our font already changed, all the font icon. Now you can select where you want to see, like H1, H2. I am disable H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, now you can see this just is pen and p tag. Also you can here is some css file, don't worry. So you can select where you want to show this font, save. You can add multiple font here, like add font, then again select the phonics font. Here is the phonics, sorry, forenix, whatever, forenix, then URL. Done. Okay, style, normal or italic, you can paste here, just save. You can see our font will be changed. Okay, so you can add multiple font here, like you can see the font is changed. You can add multiple font like you want. That's it. I hope you understand all. You can access all the code in my description box. Thank you for watching this video.